Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 6 of factors and multiples. Now coming to the word problems, this worksheet is regarding the LCM. So the word problems of LCM also we have discussed. Find the least number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Remember, we have in the example we have discussed whenever they ask the least number, we have to find out the LCM and the remainder is there. So first find out the LCM, then add the remainder, isn't it? Hope you remember. So first find the LCM of 40, 50 and 60. So write 40, 50 and 60. Okay. So they are the even numbers. So start with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 1 remains. 5s are 10, 3s are 6, 0. Now 2, 10s are 20, 25 as it is. 1 and 5s are 10. Now again 2, 5s are 10, 25 as it is. Now 15 as it is. Now not divisible by 2, so try with 3 because 15 is there. 5 as it is, 25 as it is, 5s are 15. Now not possible with the 3, so 5. 5 1s are 5, 5s are 25, 1s are 5. 5, 1 as it is, 1s are 5, 1 as it is. So LCM is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 times 2, 1 times 3 and 2 times 5. Now to multiply, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Keep aside, 3 2s are 6. So 6 into 100, 10 10s are 100. So you got 600. LCM is 600. But answer, the least number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves remainder 5 in each case is 600 plus 5, that is 605. So 605 is the answer. So what we have to do? First find out the LCM, then add the remainder. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum. 3 Haryana roadways buses stop after 50, 100 and 125 km respectively. If they leave together, then after how many kilometers will they stop together? So immediately next time when they will stop together. For that again we have to find LCM. Find LCM of 50, 100 and 125. 50, 100, 125. Even numbers start with 2. 2s are 4, 5s are 10, 5s are 10, 0, 125 as it is. Now this is a even number, 2, 25 as it is, 2s are 4, 1, 5 are 10. Now 125 as it is. Now it is a directly 5, not with 3, okay. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 remains, 5s are 25. Again 5, 1s are 5, 1s are 5, 5s are 25, 5, 1, 1, 1s are. So you got LCM is equal to 2 times 2 and 3 times 5. So 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, then 5. 10 10s are 100 to 5, 500. So answer, the buses stop after, will stop after 500 what kilometer? They stop together after, they will stop together after 500 kilometer. Is it okay? Don't forget to write the unit. So we have completed the word problems 4 and 5. Now coming to the 6th one. 4 bells toll. Toll means strike at intervals of 8, 9, 12 and 15 minutes respectively. If they toll together at 3 p.m, when will they toll together next? एक साथ चारों bells 3 o'clock 3 p.m को they will strike together. So next कब होगा? Immediately next. Then we have to find out the LCM of 8, 9, 12 and 15. First find out LCM. So it is 8, 9, 12 and 15. Now 2 are the even numbers, so start with 2. 4s are 8, 9 as it is, 6 are 12, 15 as it is. Now again even 2, 2s are 4, 9 as it is, 3s are 6, 15 as it is. Now 2, 1s are 2, 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 15 as it is. Now next is 3, isn't it? 3, 3, 1 as it is, 3 3s are 9, 1s are 3, 5 as it, 5s are 15. Now again 3, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is. Now 5, 1, 1, 1, 5 1s are 5. अभी सबको ये मेथड परफेक्ट हुआ होगा, है ना? वर्कशीट खत्म करने के वक्त आप लोगों को ये मेथड्स परफेक्ट होने का ही है, इसीलिए इतने सारे सम्स दिए जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम. इज 1 2 3. 3 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 time 5. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 and 2 5s are 10, so 360. 360 LCM. Now what is it? They have asked in the minutes, isn't it? So convert this into minutes. Okay, first answer, the 4 bells will toll together at 360 मिनट्स है, उसको अभी 360 मिनट्स बाद, ठीक है। इसका मतलब 360 मिनट्स को आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करो, 360 अपॉन 60, 0 0 कट, 6 1s are 6 6 are. So you got 6 hours और 3 PM. 3 PM के बाद 6 hours, मतलब क्या हो गया, 6 + 3 is 9 PM. The 4 bells will toll together at 9 PM. Hope you understood this. So पहले 360 जो भी आंसर मिला है that is in minutes because these are in minutes. So मिनट को पहले आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करो, तो वो आवर को 3 PM को ऐड करने का, that is the answer. Is it okay? Little bit tricky question. So first find out the LCM. 360 is the LCM, that is in minutes, convert into hours. So for that divide by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. जो hours मिला उसको 3 PM को ऐड करने का है. So the answer is 9 PM. So we have completed the worksheet 6 regarding the LCM. Hope all students are confident with this topic. Bye. Thank you. All the best.